So what counts as an expense? Anything you spend money on counts as an expense. The coffee shop run, expense. Your utility bill, expense. Your mortgage payment, expense. Your shirt you buy, expense. Everything that you spend money on is considered an expense. That is something that's costing you money. So when you track your expenses, you need to track everything that you spend money on. And that is why I really advocate for using a notebook to keep track. Just say I went to the grocery store and I spent $120. What did you buy at the grocery store? So you need to kind of delve into it and figure out what are you actually spending your money on, down to the granular level. Because for a while there, we were spending a ridiculous amount of money on soda pop and potato chips and fast items like freezer food, stuff like that. And then we got to looking at how much we were spending on that stuff and how much it was affecting us financially, not only health-wise. Then we got smart about things and started shopping the perimeter of the store and only the baking aisle and a couple of the freezer section aisles, because let's face it, I'm getting ice cream, I'm not making that. And I also frozen vegetables because I'm horrible on using the vegetables in time. Those are all different ways that I save money just in the grocery store. And our grocery bill used to be really huge, and now it's relatively small because of the way I changed our shopping patterns. But I wouldn't have known any of this if I hadn't gone granular with it and really taken a hard look at what I was actually spending money on in the grocery store. And that goes for everything. So across the board, how much are you spending on your vehicle? How much are you spending on where you live? How much are you spending on clothing? How much are you spending on gas? Everything that you spend money on, you need to take a really hard look at it and see what you're spending your money on and why you're spending your money. Because you probably have habits, you probably have subscriptions, you probably have little charges that pop up, you probably have little treats that you buy yourself that you don't even realize that you're doing, and it's costing you a ton of money.